Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speaker on a ZTE Axon 20. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. And first one is at the bottom, that's a main speaker right here. Next is on the top of the screen, I think. We'll see when playing some music, but it should be right here, and that's a phone call speaker. And that's basically all of the speakers on this device. Now we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from at least two sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So there's no sound coming from this side of the phone. I'm not sure even if there's any speaker there, but the sound is coming only from this one, and I would say this phone doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.